Experiencing an Amazon Prime Video VPN or proxy streaming error and want to know how to fix it? In this video I'm going to show you how to solve streaming errors and enjoy uninterrupted streaming of Amazon Prime Video. I will show you two ways, so watch the video all the way to the end. The error occurs due to Amazon Prime detecting your VPN connection and blocking your access to the content. The best way to solve this is to use a better VPN service. Use one from the video description. These VPN services are reliable and have a good track record to unblock Amazon Prime. Once you have downloaded and installed the VPN client, connect to a North American server. Head over to Amazon Prime. Open a movie. And as you can see, no streaming error. Sometimes you might still run into the error code that I mentioned earlier. There are two ways to solve this. Either you try a different VPN server, for that disconnect and connect again to your server and the VPN client. Or the other way, when you sign up to NordVPN, get a dedicated US IP. This means only you are using this IP and Amazon Prime is not able to detect the VPN connection. And this is how you solve the Amazon Prime streaming error. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Do you know that you can do a lot more with the VPN? Here are two ways where I show you how to get cheaper flight tickets and cheaper games on Steam.